How do you filter Pandas data frames by multiple columns? To filter a data frame DF by a single column, if we consider data with male and females, we might. Question 1. But what if the data span multiple years and I wanted to only see males for 2014? In other languages, I might do something like, except I want to do this and get a subset of the original data frame in a new data frame object. Question 2. How do I do this in a loop and create a data frame object for each unique sets of year and gender at DF4? 2013 male, 2013 female, 2014 male, and 2014 female.
Using AND operator, don't forget to wrap the substatements with. To store your data frames in a dict using a for loop. A demo for your get.
For more general Boolean functions that you would like to use as a filter and that depend on more than one column, you can use wheref is a function that is applied to every pair of elements, x1, x2, from col_1 and col_2 and returns true or false depending on any condition you want on x1, x2.
Start from Pandas 0.13. This is the most efficient way.
In case somebody wonders what is the faster way to filter, the accepted answer or the one from reality. Results for 100,000 rows. Results for 10 million rows. So results depend on the size and the data. On my laptop, query gets faster after 500k rows. Further, the string search in year equals 2014 has an unnecessary overhead. Year equals 2014 is faster.
Do you want to support now? Click the link in the description.